Hey everybody, welcome back to She Stacks. Smells like sunscreen. Yeah, you think that you wouldn't get sunburnt with this kind of weather, but you actually can get more sunburnt. It's always like this out here at the beach. I don't know if you can see those kayakers out there. I wanted to talk about something that's been really bothering me. It's the sideways market. And you guys, I know it's still super volatile, all the markets. Yes, it goes up and down still. It's not completely sideways, but the gaps in between each high and low is really short. So it's not like you can just go to your LCS and buy the dip all of a sudden, because by the time you get there, it's probably $30, $40 more. But it sucks having this sideways market during a dip, because instead of me enjoying things like this, I'm checking APMEX spot price like every 15-30 minutes. And summer is my favorite season, so it really sucks. Let's see how much further we can go without breaking my other foot. Might be able to make it to the Mermaid. As long as I'm not looking down to read something, I think I can make it. But this is the place I broke my foot, because it looks like they cleaned it up, but they had rocks underneath the sand, like big rocks, and I kicked a big rock like a soccer ball. Yeah, but I hate sideways markets because I love doing stuff like this outdoors. I don't want to be stuck to my phone checking prices during a dip on a nice summer day. Are you guys buying the dip, or is it kind of hard to buy the dip when it just goes right back up? All the losses turn into gains, and gains turn into losses. It's okay. Sorry, thank you. Trying to be courteous and not film people that probably don't want to be filmed, even as beautiful as they are. Hi. Did you catch anything?
No, nothing.
Nothing? Oh, bummer. Yeah, well, you went fishing. Oh. Is that a body? What is that? It's a party. Packing up. Okay, let's do this quickly, because I gotta go back to the husband and the kid. I'm sure they're wondering where I'm at. Here's the Mermaid. Let's get closer. Looks like they cleaned up the path. It's very artsy. It's not what you would consider a mermaid to look like, but that is what they call it. I think there's a sign over here somewhere. It says the Mermaid of Solder Point, a public and private collaboration. This stunning landmark overlooking the Ventura Harbor represents trailblazing cooperative efforts to beautify our community through private citizens working with public agencies. And I guess it's the Solder Point because Andy Solder developed and landscaped the area in memory of his daughter, Andrea, a successful and much admired investment manager. Okay. She must have had a house out here. You know, those investment managers, they make money. Not off of gold and silver though. Yeah, I wonder. Oh, we'll find out. I might be lost. I get lost a lot. This is so beautiful. So Andy, I think the guy's name was Andy Soder, and he developed and landscaped this whole area for his daughter, who passed away, and she was an investment manager and very highly admired. There's a puppy. Hey, puppy dog. Hi. People love to bring their dogs out here. It's a really beautiful place. Alright guys, I think I'm going to end it here. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and share with your friends that might like this video. And I will see you on Wednesday with a new unboxing. Bye guys.